go! Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Brandon with Car Fleet here. And in this video, we're dealing with something that I've been putting off since I bought my truck. And that would be the Hemi tick from the exhaust manifolds. As you guys know, if you're a Ram person, you know these exhaust bolts snap like all the time. They snap multiple on each side. So I'm scared to do this one myself, but I've been watching videos and I think the method I'm gonna go with is welding a nut to the bolt if they do break. So far, I see one broken, one snapped from the head. So that means I can get vice grips on it once I get the manifold off, but that doesn't mean that none of them will break. Like I guarantee 2 or 3 will break on each side when I take them off because they've been in there for the time I've owned it. They were broken from the time I've owned it, which is 2 years ago. So yeah, I'm excited, but not really because I'm scared of messing something up. I might as well do it now and try it out. I really didn't want to do it. I thought I was gonna take it to a shop, but I bought the gasket and I bought the new bolts, and I'm gonna keep the stock manifold and stuff. I don't really care to go to like shorty headers or something. Like it doesn't really matter to me. My truck's loud enough as is. It does well. So this tick though, every time I start my truck, I can hear it louder than my freaking exhaust. So it has to be dealt with. Like I've just been putting it off so long. And if you guys are like DIYers, like it's kind of a scary one, but I live by doing stuff myself. I try to never take my truck to a shop. So we're gonna see if we can do it. So stay tuned guys, and I'll show you how I get it done, or fail, one of the two. Either way, it'll be good. All right, so here's the first look at it. You can see that one's broken way out of the being flush, so that's perfect. Broken there, and broken underneath. Now we're gonna get you right in there. See if, because I can't even see this one, so see if that one's broken flush or not. And that's the only one. Oh no, there's one under there too. But those two are holding. So right now there's the back one broken. We'll check the other side. Take a quick peek. How's it looking over here? Yeah, so same thing. Broken at the back. And the front's good. So this side does look a little bit trickier to get in there. I'm super happy because remember, I got the body lift, right? So that moves the body up 3 inches. So that'll actually make this job easier. Once you take the tire off and my little custom liner, then I'll have lots of room. I'm not really worried about room. I'm just worried about my skills of doing this. But I'm happy to finally attempt it. If it goes sideways, it is what it is. Oh, all right guys, let's do it. First thing we're gonna do is get these out. Hopefully they come off, or else I'll just get some new bolts. But we're gonna back those off, drop that back, and then attack that. And I'm gonna turn this around right up to the front here, and we're gonna do it outside. Just so, I can't even get it in the garage anyways, but yeah, if you guys like dent side trucks, check out the channel. I got this full frame off resto going on for a 79 Bronco. So if you guys like that, check out the channel. Tons of videos on it. And let's get started. All right guys, so since I'm gonna be moving it, I'll show you guys the sound it's making so you guys can get a gist of what it could be if you're in the same situation. But it should be pretty visible. Each side is 2 broken, so that's kind of an obvious fact for me here. But I'll show you guys the sound it makes. You can hear it loud and clear. All right, so it's turned around. We got it where we want it. And we're gonna start with the passenger side. We're gonna take the wheel off and get to work. Okay, so we freed up a lot of room. And like I said before, with the body lift and stuff, you got a lot of room. So That's really good. I'm gonna be taking the shield off and this guy now. All right, so as you can see, we got the two off there. They came out with ease. These back there, the two bolts that hold on the shield here, they broke off, which is fine because they broke off in the best way possible. The head's still there for the bolt behind, so that's perfect. Now, this is where it gets crazy. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna try a few bolts, see if any want to come loose. If not, I'm gonna try and heating them up, see if I can rescue as many as possible without breaking them in the head here. So wish me luck, guys. Let's go. All right, so I'm just testing some out, see if there's any that want to give me some hope here. Okay, that one's good. No, this one did not like that at all. That one didn't want to go. Try this one by you guys. This one looks rusted out. I don't know, is she turning? Let's see, I gotta come through you guys here. Right there, I think this one's gonna break, guys. Or not, okay. I don't want the bottom ones to be the ones that break though. Just getting it on as much as I can, all over the engine bay, you love to see it. So top ones are loose. There's a bigger one there, as you guys can see. Those ones seem to be the ones that are snapping, which is scaring me because we got two that could potentially break here. Okay, we're gonna try that one, guys, right in front of you. If it breaks, I think it's your guys' fault because you're closest to it for a while. Okay, good. We got that one at the back there too. We're gonna try and get in on that one. That one's good. All right, so bear with me here. Might be a bad angle, might be good, I'm not sure. We got two that we need to try and get off still. Okay. That one was loose. So we got one more, guys. Okay, we got it. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's get this off, guys. Let's see if this comes out nice and smooth now. I really don't want to say this too early, but that was way too easy. I don't know. I don't want to jinx. I really don't want to jinx it right now, but I'm going to show you guys. So we got it out completely, guys, and you can tell right away, these are super clean. So these weren't leaking, but this one is, the one at the back. Both of these were broken, and you could hear it too in the earlier clip. So yeah, you can see two broken here. They're out completely. If we can lube those up, use our vice grips and kind of spin them out, that'd be perfect. Okay, we got her soaked. Grab the vice grips. Okay, it definitely spun. Let's get this one on here too. And that one spun. So those are loose. Get some regular pliers on it. Woohoo! Oh, there's one. And the other one's already loose, so. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Woo! One side done. Just like that. I really hope this doesn't go like every other freaking job. Like it did with the tie rods. Oh. Oh my gosh. With the way I'm set up here, I have the jack under one wheel and you can see the wheels on the other side. So I have to complete this side and then I'll go to the other side and do it. So I'm just gonna clean up the head a little bit, make sure nothing gets in the engine, and then we'll put our gasket on, put our bolts in, and bolt it right back up. I'm not gonna paint anything or do anything special. It's just, it's an exhaust. It's gonna be rusty. All right, so it's all mocked up. Everything's in loose, new gaskets, new bolts. Now I did something really stupid, which honestly isn't that surprising anymore at this point. As you can see, there's no bolts left. So I only bought one. Luckily though, all I have time for today is one side. I have to go to work soon. But yeah, I just gotta get another kit here. It's cheap. I got it off Rock Auto. I could probably go to Lordco and find them today, which would probably be a good idea. And just get the other side dealt with. But one side is basically complete. I'm gonna torque them all down and then I'll show you guys at the end. Now this side is completely done. Woo! Let's go, baby. One done. And we're gonna hop to the other side. I gotta get the bolts from Lordco and then we'll hop over there. Also, I got a bullet antenna. My other antenna broke off-roading. This one probably will too, but it's good for now. Yeah, down this side. Alrighty, so here's the other side. It's dark, so I'll show you the best I can, but got it off. Now you can see the back two are broken again, just like the other side, so that's weird. But all the other bolts came out so easy, guys. I don't know what happened here. I've been putting this off for so long thinking this was gonna be a show, and it was the easiest job I've done on this thing. So I don't know why that happened, but the only thing on this side, this freaking dipstick in the steering, and there's so much more stuff on the side, and it is annoying that way, but I'd rather deal with that than breaking a bunch. So I'm gonna spin those out, guys, and then I'll show you once I'm done. But I am super happy right now that this didn't go to and I don't have to buy a new Dodge. So we got duct tape. Yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm all done. Clean it up a bit and send her. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for the install. It's all back to the way it was before, except with no broken bolts. So basically the conclusion, there's 2 broken bolts on the back of each one, and I didn't break a single bolt into the head. So that's amazing. After all the videos I saw, I for sure thought this was gonna be terrible, because this is an 09 as well. So, but we pulled through, we persevered. Now let's fire up the truck and hear if we can see if we can hear a difference here, which I'm really hoping for, because obviously you can tell there's 2 broken on each side. So let's fire up. Hopefully the neighbors don't hate me. A little cold out here. All right, you guys are getting my first reactions. I haven't fired it up yet. Let's see here. Let's go. Oh my gosh! There's no tick, baby. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. No tick. That's so quiet. Awesome. I'm so excited, guys. Sounded way better. Way better. Now there's still some ticking. I'm gonna have to diagnose that further. Other than that, guys, we'll figure that out another day. I think I was really lucky with that one. I was literally freaking out. Like I didn't want to touch it. I've had the hardware here for so long. And then it made sense because my girlfriend was gone. So I was like, I'm gonna do it. I took some time away from the Bronco project to do that, and definitely well worth it, because like in all my videos, you can hear the thing freaking ticking like crazy. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just as surprised as you. I thought it was gonna be a gong show as well. It really wasn't, so it's a big shocker. But yeah, guys, some tips I would have when doing this is on the driver's side, when you're pulling out the heat shield and the manifold itself, send it to the back of the truck when you're going out with it. So I did all this with the dipstick in, and I just scooted the heat shield around the dipstick. It's pretty difficult, but I was able to slide it out, and then it's easy to slide back in after with no broken studs on it. So that's a tip. Just make sure you go the right way with it, or else you could really get it stuck in there. And also driver's side, a lot more difficult than the passenger side. Yeah, they were both good, guys, and I'm glad I did it myself. There's some more experience under the old belt ski. Thank you guys again, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.